improve screening efficiency, reduce downtime, and extend service life. Polyurethane screen plates provide perfect solutions for various screening needs. With its excellent wear resistance and corrosion resistance, polyurethane screen plates can operate stably for a long time in high-intensity working environments. The screen plate adopts a high elasticity design, which can not only effectively reduce equipment wear, but also improve screening efficiency, and reduce losses in the production process. Whether in the mining, building materials, chemical or coal industries, polyurethane screen plates can help companies reduce maintenance costs and improve production efficiency. Choosing a polyurethane screen plate means choosing a longer lasting, more efficient and more economical production line.